Have you missed someone during life when you're not home? Would you know who came or left? With Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell, no one will be missed when you're not home.
你好，我是物业的，昨天您打过电话，我是来检修电话线路的。
不好意思，我现在不在家，麻烦你明天下午再过来，谢谢。
Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell enables remote door lock controlled by app. Security becomes more intelligent.
嗨，老公，我忘带钥匙了，快点帮我开下门。
好的，老婆，我来开门。
Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell is available paired with Ding Dong doorbell receivers. When music plays, you will get the info no matter where you are.
你好，你的快递，请您签收。
谢谢。
Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell starts motion detecting when homeowner is not home.
干嘛呢？
Comfortable life. Remote monitoring. Millions of high-definition of pixels, super wide-angle, infrared night vision, all can be seen clear. QQ Group. Intelligent life. Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell supports QQ Group platform. Let Cloud Chime be your friend instead of app. Perfect appearance. Selectable style and colors, which makes life beautiful. Awareness Wi-Fi Doorbell, an important part to home security.